So, you just got your new Android and you want to get the best out of it? I got you. First, what you have to do is delete the apps that you don't use because there are a lot of apps that come standard in Android phones. And also, you can benefit from all the widgets that you can use in all the ways like camera and language and more. And also, you can benefit from the site panel, which you can activate by going to the settings and then searching for site panel. You're gonna turn it on, and here you can benefit from screenshots from squares and ovals and GIFs, and you can also give shortcuts for apps, and you can even have a compass and the weather. That was it for today, and I'll see you in another video. Stay tuned.